One of the new features in 2020.2 is the ability to add and remove items from a set using a menu option in a tooltip. This is an addition and almost an enhancement to the existing capability, just giving you more ways of working with values. You'll see here that when I select a particular item here, it changes the context of the visualization and it does a comparison against my selection. So in this case, it's E17. And you can see here that the average price in this region is 458,838, and you can see that here in the tooltip. And obviously you can see here that my set controller is updating to reflect that. If I select multiple regions, then you'll see here that multiple regions are selected in my set control. But one of the cool new features in 2020.2 is to actually add items to a set just by using a menu option. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's show you how to do that. I need to go to the dashboard options at the top, then go down to actions, and I actually want to add an action in this case. So I'm going to get to the change set values option here. I'm going to select that, and then I'm just going to say add set value. Okay, it's going to work as a menu selection, and I want to use these two new options here: add values to set, remove values from set. And I just need to select the add values because that's what this one is doing. And I need to make sure I check the data source I'm using and the right set. So those two are correct now. I can click OK. And then I can just basically go ahead and do the same thing. I'll do this a little bit quicker now because I've shown you how to do it. So remove values from set. This needs to be a menu option again, and it needs to apply to the outcode set. I'll leave these options as they are. Click OK, and now we have those two options. Now the last thing to bear in mind is that if they don't show for you at the bottom here like mine have, you need to go and enable one particular setting. And you do that by going to the tooltip option inside of the sheet and making sure that you have on hover available. These menu options don't appear if you have responsive enabled. They only appear when you have on hover enabled. So set this on hover. You do that in the tooltips option here. And then when you go back to the dashboard and you hover over these, you'll get these add set value and remove values from set. So I'm going to have a go at them now. I'm going to click this one, and you'll see that it adds that value to the set and the whole chart changes. And that's been done from the tooltip. And I'm going to go ahead and remove this value from the set having done so. And so we should see a gray page because there is nothing to compare from. So if I do that, you'll see there's no comparison being done. And actually you can see our outcode set here is sort of updating as well to reflect that. If I was to then add set the value back in, you'll see this changes to SE16. So that's pretty much the feature in a nutshell. You can do lots of exciting things with this. Check out my video on the 2020.2 update on set actions and set controls to get more context on this. I've done a really long explainer on how to build this exact chart. Otherwise, if you like this video, drop a comment in the links below. If not, let me know what I can improve on, and I'll catch you in the next video.